Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Deluxe Winston Electric Realistic Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Winston Realistic Dildo itself. As you can see, it's quite a small compact dildo, meaning it's perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. It features a realistic design with a veiny textured shaft all the way around, making it extra stimulating during use, and features a rounded head at the top just here as well. Here are some useful measurements about the Winston dildo. So the total length is 18 centimeters. The insertion depth is 17 centimeters. The maximum diameter is 5 centimeters and the minimum diameter is 4 centimeters long. Now, the outside of the material is made of an ultra silky soft silicone material, meaning it's very comfortable when using. It also features a revolutionary material which is flexible and adapts to your body shape as well. It's not your standard dildo. The core is firm yet flexible and made of a Silicon material. So as mentioned, it adapts to your body shape, meaning it's a revolutionary dildo. It also features a strong suction cup at the base just here, meaning you can place this on any flat, smooth surface and enjoy hands-free stimulation too. It's suitable for both vaginal and anal stimulation, and it's also suitable for a strap-on harness too. It also comes equipped with 10 powerful vibration modes. The buttons are at the base of the dildo just here. To turn on, push and hold on the bottom button for 2 seconds. A red light will come on, indicating the dildo is on, and the vibrations have already begun. To change to the other vibration modes, click on the top button and have lots of fun experimenting with all the different types of vibrations. To turn off the dildo, push and hold down for 2 to 3 seconds, and it's now off. It's also rechargeable. The soft silicone hole at the very base just here is where the recharging point is. Using your USB charging cable provided, gently push through the silicone as demonstrated, and it will charge for you. Quick, simple and easy. Now, when using the Winston Realistic Dildo, we would highly recommend to use this in combination with a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. Please note you cannot use a silicone lubricant in combination with a silicone sex toy. Make sure to clean after every use, and for this we would highly recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that's the Real Fantasy Deluxe Winston Electric Realistic Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.